Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to hop into the video. I have some Model 1 polishes here. You can find these on Amazon. If you are not into it yet, I'm telling you, get into the bulk polishes in the box. I mean, you guys be out here buying gel polish individually. I mean, if you have a brand with a particular color that you like, go for it. But you want to get a lot for your money, I suggest you go on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for this kit here. I think I have a discount code. I'm not sure. If I do, it will be down below. But here I wanted to just put the number that I'm using up to the camera so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm using. I'm going in with something really quick and easy. You can achieve this look at home. You do not have to be a nail tech to get this look. I did go in with a sheer pink base just to give the illusion of some acrylic nails. And now I'm going in with this beautiful Tiffany color greenish blue and doing a little French tip. French tip can be a little tricky. So if you do have a round edge brush to clean up your shape, it will come out perfect. I'm not really a perfectionist. I really could care less how my French tip come out. As long as it looks a little bit good, then we're good. Here, I'm just showing you guys this right here. This purple color is a pretty like violet color, going in with a French tip. I originally was going to go in with those fall colors that you guys see to the left on my swatch pad. And then I realized I wanted something a little bright, a little vibrant, because I wanted to do some 3D nails. So here I'm just going in now with a gray color because I do want to add a little illusion of the colors that I'm wearing to, you know, be a little bit reminiscent of fall. Fall is my favorite season. So that's all I'm doing is going in. And this is really repetitive. So I'll use this time to just let you guys know your girl is back making videos. I tried to put this video up for 2 days. I had to shorten it to upload it. So you guys will get the gist. And here's one of those brushes that I was talking about. I got that brush on Sheen. I will link it down below. In the event I forget to link it and you want it, leave me a comment to remind me, and I most certainly will link it. So now I'm just going in with this pretty brown color. This is like a pretty coffee with cream color. Really cute, perfect for fall. Like I said, I love kits like this because if you don't have a lot of money and or you don't want to spend a lot of money, you can get a variation of different colors without spending a lot. You get colors for spring, summer, and fall all in one box. Yeah, so I was not going to use this orange, and then I accidentally opened it, and I was like, hold up, wait a minute, I got to use that. So here I am going in with an orange color. I thought this orange color just really tied the look together because it's more brighter than the rest of the colors, and it will be the pinky nail, so it will really stick out. So after the French tip, I do go in and cure the nails in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. And then I am using the black that came inside this kit as well. The kit does come with a black and a white. I am going in and outlining that French tip. This is why originally I said I didn't care too much how the French tip came out because I knew I was going to outline it. In the event that I'm not outlining it, then I do care a little bit about how the French tip look. But in this case, you can always clean it up with your outline. And I am going in and just doing that 3D color with the black. So I used the black, and then you guys will see I just did all of the black without showing you because it's so repetitive. And then now I'm just going in and creating some of those same lines and dots with the white to give the illusion of like a 3D effect. Super easy. Nail techs that are home that are not necessarily nail techs, you are just that girl that do her nails and you want some press-ons that look like acrylic nails, click the link down below, get these polishes, grab yourself some brushes. These brushes that I am using are from Amazon that I'm doing the line work with. I most certainly will link them. They are from Amazon. My girl, my nail bestie, I should say, from nail school. Her name is Naj. She watch all my videos. Hey, Naj. She put me up on them brushes. And when I tell y'all I am not good at doing designs, and when she introduced me to this brush, it's actually a brush kit. I was just like, okay, I now do nail art. So I'll go link it down below. And I think the whole kit was only like $10. Don't cheat yourself. Treat yourself. That brush kit is the bomb. So now I am going in with the top coat from this particular set. This does come with a primer, so if you are doing press-on nails, I do suggest you going with the primer. I didn't use it this time because I don't want my nails on long, but the primer does work for your longevity when you're doing your nails. So this is what they look like. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Bye.